Hi and welcome back to the Lash and Brow Directory Booking System tutorial. This tutorial is on adding tax. So this is if you are in a country where you add tax to your services. So I am personally from Australia and we have GST. So if you are GST registered, then you would need to add tax to your invoices. So remember that the prices that you advertise will be your prices less tax. So simply go to the booking settings in the dashboard. Select tax, select enable and add your tax amount, then save. So this will actually default to disable, so meaning that it will not add tax onto any of the invoices unless you go in and set this. Okay, and that is now completed. You are now ready to add tax to your invoices.